Hello, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can add contacts and how you can view the contacts and how you can connect with your contacts and the leads. So for that you need to open MySalesDialer application, and to add a contact you need to go to add contact option, and from here you can add a contact. You can give any name. You need to give the last name, then the office number, mobile number, and next you need to give is the email ID. So here I am entering just a sample data. So once you have filled in the details, you can just click here and click on save, and that's it, the contact has been saved. Now to view all the contacts, right, so you can go to my contacts option, and here we have divided the view into your prospects, your clients, your leads, and to view all the contacts you can go to the contacts, and there you will see all the contacts. So if you want to view prospects, you can go to my prospect. Right now there is no prospect. To view all the leads, you can go to leads, so you can see the leads. Then to view the clients list, you can go to client section, and to view all the contacts, whatever contacts you have in your application, so you can go here and you can see all the contacts right at once. And to connect with any contact, you just open the contact, right, and after opening the contact you can click on call office to call to the office number, call mobile to call to the mobile number. You can delete the contact, you can update the contact, change any information. You can send email to the contact, you can send SMS to the contact, and also if you want to set up a reminder for that particular contact, you can set up all the reminders here. So this is all about how to connect with the contact. And when you go to the email and SMS option, so there you have the option to create a template. So every time you do not have to write your own message. If you want to send the same message again and again, you can create your own template. So these are the features available to connect. And one more option is there, which is for the bulk sending SMS and bulk calling. If you want to some like if you have multiple clients, or if you go and you have all the contacts, you want to send a message to all the contacts or to all the leads, right? So for that you can utilize SMS everyone in the list or email everyone in the list. So if you click, then you can select the template, write a message, and then just you can click on send. Same thing you can do for the email, right? So this you can send the SMS and email in the bulk from here. So these are all the options to connect. Thank you.